Good morning, Texans. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. Start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silence. I guess our biggest news today is that our closure has been extended. You're probably aware by now that Governor Abbott came on yesterday and closed all the schools in Texas until April 30th, which would put us coming back to school on May 4th. Of course, as we know, things can always change, but currently that's where we sit, is our return now has been delayed until May 4th. I'm going to meet with our administrative team today and kind of put together a list of things that have been delayed, postponed, rescheduled, or even canceled. Based on that, we'll get all that put together. We'll get some more information out to you pretty quickly. Quick reminder to seniors, make sure you get your scholarship offers in to either your counselor or our counseling assistant, Ms. Charlene Jackson. We really want to know all of the different offers that you've been extended for scholarships. And then finally, a reminder, seniors, tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, so Thursday morning at 9 o'clock, we'll be passing out senior graduation regalia, getting you ready for graduation, and just getting you that cap and gown so that you can put that on and model it and feel good about it. And we'll even get a little hashtag together so that you can tweet out your pictures of yourself in your cap and gown, and that'll be pretty fun. So Texans, that's all I have for you today. Just a reminder that I love you, I miss you, and I hope you make it a great day.